Hey, my name is Suraj and I'm 37. So I got to know about New Roots Clinic because I stay nearby Kormangla 7th block. I happened to basically come across this clinic because I work out very nearby. And since last almost 7, 8 years, I had problems or history of hair fall. And I was at a stage wherein, I was at a grade 6 stage and all my hairs was completely gone. And in general, I have visited multiple clinics around Kormangla and I was never satisfied with the explanation. And the day I visited New Roots, I was completely blown away by how they explained and how many grafts would be needed and how I should basically expect the results. And eventually, on the day of the surgery, I decided since last 5 years, I was basically thinking of doing this surgery, but for some reason, I couldn't do it. And I eventually did it last week. And this on the day of surgery, I was a bit because of the claustrophobia. I had some problems, but the arrangements were so well done here that everyone helped me overcome my fear, and it was done without any pain. The results eventually on the seventh day looks pretty good. I can see a lot of changes. The amount of medicines that they have given is also pretty explainable and it's very helpful. And now I'm on the seventh day. I did my hair wash today, and post this, I'll have to basically go ahead and carry with my medicines. That's for about 3 to 6 months, and I'm hoping to get the best results. Thank you, New Roots.